In this video, we're covering frequency tables. So before we begin, we're just going to cover some terminology. So frequency is the total number of times a data value appears in a data set. Right? Now, a data set is just a range of data that you've collected. Now, a frequency table is then used to organize and display that data set. So here we have an example. We need to create a frequency table for the data set shown below, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Right? So the first thing we like to do when you create a table is you identify your smallest score. So our smallest score in this case is 1. So what I do is I put the 1 at the top. The largest score is 5, and then you fill up the gaps in between. So 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now what we're trying to identify is our frequency. So that means how often that number occurred. So the score is just the different data things that you've collected. And then frequency is the number of times it occurred. So essentially for 1, how many 1s appeared? And in this case, 2 1s appeared. And then we look at 2s, 1 2 appeared, 2 3s appeared, 3 4s appeared, 1 5 appeared. Sometimes you'll see a table with total at the bottom, not all the time, but if you do, all you need to do is add them up. In this case, that comes out as 9. All right. So again, if you're reading one of these tables, essentially what's happening is this here is telling us that we have one. Well, let me write it in a way that's going to make sense. There are 2 1s. Okay. Then if we were looking at this one, there are 1 2. Well, there is 1 2. All right, and you just keep going down. So we have 2 3s, 3 4s, 1 5. Okay, so a frequency table is used to show data, a long line of data, in a way that's manageable for us to identify any patterns.